Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi 14T Pro and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage our Google passwords, we must open Google Chrome application. In it, choose three dots on the right corner and there scroll to settings, selection where we have Google Password Manager. And now we must tap on website which we want manage. Maybe to our booking account. We must enter our look pin, look pin to get connected to these passwords, and there we can manage our Google passwords. First, we can copy our username and password using this first icon, or after we press this icon, our smartphone shows us password. Which, remember, you can also share this password to someone with username and note using this icon, or we can edit something by tap on edit and write something new in note, password, or change something in our passwords or username. But remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing which we can do with it is delete it by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.